Hi, I'm Joanna, and I have to say I am very hot and very thirsty.
I'm Elly, and I'm hot, and I'm dry, and we're at Neot Kedumim. It's June, the Hebrew month of Tammuz, and we're going to look for some water.
Well, that's what happens when you go out for schlepping out in the middle of the day. It's really hot. It's always, dry. Yeah. Oh my gosh. When's the sun going down? Go! 10 jumping jacks and 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, did I work you hard enough?
Oh, I need a drink. I'm so thirsty.
Look at some water coming.
Oh! Yes! Oh, I'm dizzy.
Alrighty. Okay, so if there was water in there, you can hear a little bit, but basically those jugs would be picking up the water and dumping. Feel a bit like a hamster.
Yeah.
I'm going to pull it down, and you're going to grab that slimy bucket. Oh, don't fall in.
Okay.
Do we have water?
Yes, look.
I'm going to turn the water on for you.
Check it out.
And we're going to turn this on, and the water that we saw before is going to drive the wheel round. Ready, Elly?
Yeah.
It's going to be noisy. Oh, look at that go. All right.
Okay,
Cool.
we're coming out of an ancient mikveh, an ancient ritual bath, which was a certain quantity of water that you would immerse yourself in to become ritually pure.
Water. Yes. Ready?
Yeah. Alrighty.
Okay.
Pull it up.
Look at that groove. How old do you reckon that groove is? Oh, look at it.
Woo!
Deep. That's like meters.
Okay.
Yay. Oh my God!
Nice?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay, was not expecting that, and it's cold.